Science Magneto!
Hey guys, it's TheScienceKid here, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of forces. A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. Like Newton said, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an opposing force. The equation for force is mass times acceleration, and the unit is in newtons, which was named after the man Isaac Newton, who famously let an apple fall on his head and he explained forces. Now, I understand that forces is just a bunch of really complicated mumbo-jumbo, but here's the gist. Forces are around us every single day, everywhere we go. When you're walking around your house to go get soda, or when you're sitting down on the couch playing video games, forces are acting on you, no matter where you go. Like gravity. What do you think keeps you on the ground? It's gravity. Why don't you just float off into space? It's gravity. Then there is frictional force. It is when two things rub together. It's like when I rub my hands together really, really fast. That's friction. It's also when my dad twists on the cap too hard on a bottle and I can't open it. It's because of friction. Then there is magnetic force. It is the attraction and repulsion by magnets. It's when I have two different magnets, right? And I put them together, they'll stick together no matter what. But when I try to put them together, they don't want to go together no matter what. So that is just the forces of magnets. Then there is spring force. Spring force is exerted by compressed or stretched springs. It's when you push down on the button on a pen. The springs are compressed. Then the pen comes out, but when you press the button again, the springs are stretched out, so it goes back to its original position. Now, if you know any more about springs or any other forces, please comment down below. Now, in summary, forces are around us all the time, no matter where we go, and you can't avoid them. Even if you went into space, there's still forces acting on you. Even if you're hiding underneath your bed sheets. Yes, little Timmy, there are still forces acting on you. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.